I said, "Are you crazy? What do you think you're doing?" I didn't see it as being a positive. I saw it as Danny getting killed.
Anyone can learn anything they want. It's all in your head. You just gotta spend time on it.
I don't know that a lot of people really get Danny Way.
There's a lot of guys that'll do whatever it takes to win. Then there's guys that do whatever it takes to push themselves. Guys that do whatever it takes to progress their sport.
Danny's doing what he was meant to do, and you can see that. And very few people get to experience that in their life.
When we first got to the Great Wall, we were just like, oh my God. This guy is gonna kill himself.
They would never let anyone build something like that here.
There was a mountain biker that jumped the wall and careened to the bottom, dead. His ramp wasn't built properly.
It was gut-wrenching for me. The outcome of the end of it was what I was always afraid to face.
I'd heard about China for years. Danny was on a flight and actually saw the Great Wall plane. I remember him joking, like, yeah, I'm gonna jump over that thing. I don't remember hearing how it all came together. I just kind of remember hearing it was going to happen.
The role of a manager is to make your visions and your dreams real. Danny wanted to jump the Great Wall of China, and Ray and I felt that we could help do that.
This is what the next chapter of Danny's life was all about, and we were the guys selected to make that happen.
So we go to China fueled by a dream and ambition and nothing much else. We pull up to Juyuzhong Gate, and it's impressive.
The wall, in some spots, is, I guess it's just not as big as I envisioned in some spots. I wouldn't want to cheat on this one, so I'm trying to find some section on the, we're trying to find a section here that would actually be a legitimate jump for me. There's definitely spots of the wall that are enormous, but there's some that aren't, and I just have the motive, you know, I wouldn't feel right unless I found a spot that was really magnificent. Sorry, it's freezing out, I can barely talk. So I think right here, jumping from there over here, is the widest spot of the wall, which I feel does the most justice for skateboarding and the possibility of breaking a world record.
We come back from China, and Danny's on the phone with me at midnight, going, dude, is this real? And I'm like, I don't know. But here's your job. Prepare, have your bag packed, and you're jumping until I'm telling you you're not jumping.
I think the story really started before my brother and I were even born.